Right, we're back. Let's take a look at the third set statistics, where you can see that the Philippine Navy again outscored Ateneo with 14 attacks as compared to 12 of Ateneo. Better blocking shown by the Ateneo team as well as in terms of services. But look at the number of errors that we have here. 10 errors here for the Philippine Navy, 4 for Ateneo de Manila. It was clearly, you know, a big problem for the Philippine Navy in the third set.
Looking back at that third set, there was a rotation that it seemed that the Philippine Navy had no offensive options. No, parang doon sila na lamangan ng husto ng Ateneo. And of course, those numbers brought to you by Maynila, the official drinking water provider of the Shakey's B-League. Again, happy birthday to Rina Villamor.
Yep, happy birthday, Rina.
Kasamahan po natin dito sa panel. And Rina, happy birthday from all of us.
Going back to your point earlier on that rotation, it was actually that rotation where it was Carpio, Laborte, and Prochina that was left in the front line. So kapag dalawa lang yung umaatake para sa Philippine Navy, nahihirapan sila in the front line.
And again, this match, so yung start pa lang nito, binabalikan natin. Very nice exchanges, opening set. And so far, ganun pa rin hanggang ngayon. Aiza Maizo still at work. You've got Phil Cainget and even Alisa Valdez, who just came in at the late part of that first set.
Remember the first
Ella
time?
De Jesus was the one who started.
And she scored the very first point, actually, for Ateneo.
First 2 points. One from the spike and the second from a block.
You know, again, just looking back at what happened as we just seen that attack from Maizo. Looking back at how these two teams fared when they first met. First time they played against each other, it was the Philippine Navy winning in straight sets.
Yes.
The next time that they met, definitely Ateneo wanted revenge. They won that game 3-1. So today is actually a very big question. Of course, it's a crucial match. It's a battle for third, pero even playing field, parehong team. So that makes it all very interesting.
Alisa with a short serve to Suzanne. Aiza Maizo coming in for a quick. Laborte with a dig. Maizo again! Twisting, turning.
Ginawa ng paraan lang yun.
Oh. Just making do.
And she was actually...
Inuulit niya yung motion.
Sabi niya na, nakatagilid na ako. But then again, it was still a point. So they'll take that anyways.
Nice serve from Cruzada.
Good play by Gretchen Ho. Again, ito na naman yung problema ng Navy, no? The lack of blockers in the front line.
Gretchen Ho with a quick attack, getting that point. 4-3. Ateneo with the lead. Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Pumasok din yung jump serve ni Z.
Oh, good one by Roses. I think someone got a hand on that ball.
Outside, the linesman signaling that ball was out. And yung touchable, hindi na tinawag, no? And breaks going the way of Ateneo.
Z now back. Old serving style, going to that jump serve.
6-3. Z Hervasio with a service ace. The Mikasa MVA300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's B-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills. The Mikasa MVA300.
Oh, but her second attempt. Ito yung mahirap, no? I think is the fourth or maybe fifth service error. Very crucial for you to have a consistent service.
Yun ang word, yung consistent.
Consistency. And yung nakikita nating problema dito kay Z is yung pag-change niya every time.
Oh, nice save there from Mikmik Laborte. Push there from Phil. Oh, backhand again from... Oh! Sipag ni Susain Roses, ha?
So this time, of course, kailangan lahat ng pwede nilang gawin. At pigilan pa lang, dun pa lang sa net area. You have to do that. Also note that there's a change of libero here for the Philippine Navy. Suson replacing Galido.
They go back to Phil. Mizo with a dig. Susain Roses!
Now, Roses, that work.
6-all in the fourth. Bilis, ang bilis ng quick.
And wala talagang tao dun sa area. No defense there for Ateneo. Good reception by Valdez. I think was going for that zone 1.
For the corner.
For the corner, but
He missed it, yeah. Aiza with a serve to Alisa.
Same target, successful.
Seven all, and this is really very crucial, this fourth set. Very important, of course, more for the Philippine Navy. It's a must-win set for them. Ooh! Bad move there from Carpio. Ferrer was right there. That is outside. And it is the Philippine Navy with a 1-point lead. First technical timeout going their way, 8-7.